I think it's a good idea.
I think it's a good idea.
I take a shower every morning.
I take a shower every morning.
I see the stars at night.
I see the stars at night.
She comes to the party.
She comes to the party.
I make breakfast every morning.
I make breakfast every morning.
I know the answer.
I know the answer.
I want a new phone.
I want a new phone.
I look at the sky.
I look at the sky.
I use a computer.
I use a computer.
I find my keys.
I find my keys.
I give her a gift.
I give her a gift.
I tell the truth.
I tell the truth.
I work from home.
I work from home.
I call my friend.
I call my friend.
She tries new foods.
She tries new foods.
I ask questions in class.
I ask questions in class.
I need some water.
I need some water.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I become a teacher.
I become a teacher.
I leave at 6.
I leave at 6.
I put the book on the table.
I put the book on the table.
What does this word mean?
What does this word mean?
I keep my room clean.
I keep my room clean.
I begin my day with coffee.
I begin my day with coffee.
She seems tired.
She seems tired.